Welcome to this training session for all researchers affiliated with institutions in the CTK Consortium in Slovenia. This session will demonstrate how Slovenian authors can publish their articles in open access in widely hybrid journals using the consortium's allocated fund to cover the costs, making it free of charge for the authors. The live session will cover the topics shown in this slide. We will provide essential information on the eligibility criteria for benefiting from the fund that covers the article publication charge, the APC, offering insights into the structure of the consortia agreement. Next, we will give a detailed explanation of the author workflow, outlining the steps you need to complete in order to submit your funding request for the APC for your article. Finally, we will present a series of useful resources and software tools that support authors and enhance publication success. We will, of course, allocate time for a Q&A session to address all of your questions. Before we demonstrate how to request the APC to be paid by the CTK Consortia Fund, let's review the difference between fully gold open access journals and hybrid journals. Now, fully gold open access journals publish every article as open access, requiring the payment of an APC. In contrast, hybrid journals offer two options. You can publish your article free of charge in subscription-only mode, or you can choose to publish them as open access by paying the APC. And this dual option is why they are termed hybrid. Publishing articles in open access allows anyone worldwide to access, view, download, share, and use your work free of charge. As shown in this slide, open access articles enjoy greater visibility and impact with higher downloads, more citations, and a higher arithmetic attention scores compared to those publications that are published in subscription-only mode. So this shows the significant advantages of open access publishing. And with the CTK fund available to cover the costs of the APC, you have an excellent opportunity to publish your articles and maximize their reach and influence. So here is a summary of the structure of your contract. It has a validity of 4 years from 2022 to 2025. All articles accepted for publication after January 1st, 2022 are eligible for funding. The contract covers only hybrid journals. There are approximately 1,200, and not all articles qualify. The most common eligible articles types include primary research articles, review articles that includes, but they are not limited to, original articles, case studies, reviews, short communications. It is crucial that you identify yourself with the correct affiliation name belonging to CTK Consortium to trigger eligibility in our system. So it's the consortia basically is the affiliation name that triggers eligibility. We recommend submitting your paper using your institutional email address rather than a personal one. When an article is accepted for publication in a widely hybrid journal, authors will receive an invitation email prompting them to return to Wiley Author Services to complete the necessary administrative steps before publication. Now, if you have correctly identified yourself with your CTK affiliation, the email will include a customized message highlighted in the green box on this slide, informing you about the availability of the CTK fund to cover the cost of the open access APC. And after receiving the email confirming the acceptance of your article for publication, the first step is for you to log in to Author Services and access your dashboard. You will see all submitted articles that require attention from you, as shown in this slide. And by clicking on the Manage button, you will initiate the author workflow. If you have submitted the article using the correct affiliation name associated with the CTK consortium, you will see Sign License button and Review Eligibility window among the required action items. The system will automatically recognize your article as eligible for funding through the CTK Fund or open access publication. By clicking on the red button, you will start the author workflow. So here are the steps you need to complete the auto workflow and create a request for APC funding approval by your library manager. Well, first, manage article. So click on manage article to begin the process. Second, confirm author roles. The author list will display all authors from the manuscript, so you need to indicate who is the corresponding author and the responsible corresponding author who will drive this process. Then the third action is to confirm funders and their affiliations. So you need to review the reported funders and affiliations provided at submission. You can add or edit any information as needed. The platform will assist you in selecting your affiliation if missing and will alert you of eligibility. Then you need to confirm the copyright. So you need to select the copyright ownership. And then you need to confirm you want to go ahead with the open access publication. Then you need to basically choose the license agreement you want to use for your publication. And then finally, you need to sign and submit your request. Once your request is accepted by your library manager, you will receive an email acknowledging the successful request. If your request is denied, you will also be notified by email along with the reasons for the rejection. During the live session, we will cover each of these steps in great detail and provide the, the entire workflow. So this will allow you to learn and familiarize yourself with the process thoroughly. During the live session, we will also provide a comprehensive guide to understanding the different types of open access publications. We will also provide a comprehensive overview of the different types of Creative Commons licenses, explaining their differences. This will help each author understand the implication of each license type and make an informed decision when choosing the appropriate license for their publication. We will provide a comprehensive overview of all the resources available on Wiley Author Services. This includes powerful free software tools such as Journal Finder, Manuscript Checker, which will help you identify the best journals that match your manuscript's aim and scope. These tools will assist you in making informed decisions about where to submit your paper. Finally, we will delve into the premium professional services offered on our Wiley Editing Services platform. These services will help you prepare, write, and enhance the quality and acceptability of your manuscript. Additionally, we also offer services designed to boost the visibility and promotion of your article, maximizing its impact. So, thank you so much for your attention. I am pleased to invite you to attend the dedicated 1 hour live session.